You are ready for the 5-minute deep relaxation meditation practice. Let's begin. You are fully relaxed with no thoughts in mind. Your body is very much in deep relaxation mode. There is no stress in your head. You're leaving all your thoughts far away from yourself. And now you're going to inhale very deeply using your chest and abdominal muscles. And then you're doing deep and long exhalation using your chest and abdominal muscles. You are doing this for 3 times. Long and deep inhale, long and deep exhale. Very nice. You're going great. As you're breathing in deeply, you are bringing back all your positive energy, strength inward. As you are breathing out, you are releasing, letting go all your negative thoughts, stress out of your body. You are breathing in and you are breathing out. You are breathing in and you are breathing out. Great job. Now you could feel how much better you are already feeling it. Peaceful mind. So now it's time to relax your body parts. So let's begin with your fingers. You are going to relax your right hand fingers, left hand fingers. Now you are relaxing your elbows, your right elbow joints, left elbow joints. You're going up, relaxing your shoulders, right shoulders, left shoulder. Now you could feel your relaxed neck, back, and stomach. It's time to relax your right leg and left leg, including your knees, ankles, and toes. Now, it's time to relax your head, top head, back head, and forehead. Your eyes, nose, and mouth. Relax your ears, chin, and finally your chest area. Your whole body is fully relaxed at the moment. Your mind is fully, deeply calm and peaceful. You are enjoying this. Stay there as long as you can. Keep focusing on your breathing.